Hi, everybody. Welcome to, wow, we're on week 7. We're almost halfway through the semester. This week, we're going to focus on ethical decision making. So, if you know anything about the Citadel, you know we're all about developing principled leaders and working within an ethical framework. So, the readings from this week are actually in the module. So, there's a link to a framework for ethical decision making, and then 2 specific examples of business issues for you to evaluate. So question 1 for the discussion this week is analyze the Wells Fargo case, which is one of the readings. Second question is to analyze the Apple case using the link, and there's no quiz. So hopefully this week you'll get a good idea of how to apply the ethical framework to specific organizational decisions. Have a great week.